Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't vlogged in like probably maybe a year. I don't know, but my bad. Watching Josh Laurent in the back. Shout out to the homie. First and foremost, shout out to Josh Laurent and the homie Finding Dick and the homie Feeling Hugo, especially Josh, bro. But anyway, shout out to all of them. Like I said, it started with Josh. Josh was the one that kicked it off. Like, as far as me getting back on my grind and stuff like that. Cause your girl was slacking. It also made me want to be like a little bit more positive in the vlogs. I kind of like a lot of negativity out, but I mean, it's still gonna be some negativity because like, I don't want to sugarcoat shit. Like, nothing in life is like always, you go through things. But, yeah, bro, well, welcome to the channel. This is pretty much an update video and also some questions because I started another. If I'm slurring or whatever, if I'm talking funny, it's because bro, I got like 3 hours of sleep because my damn girl kept calling me, won't let me sleep. Hold up, let me put them on pause because I don't want to miss it. Yeah, so like I said, this is pretty much an update video. But if y'all haven't checked out, if y'all don't know about these YouTubers, check them out. Josh funny as shit. I mean, all of them funny, bro. Josh is cracking me up and shit. Yeah, and he also got me wanting to do like interviews again. If you've been following me for a while, you know what I mean. I'll put like a clip of what I mean by interviews.
Of that year, so it was really easy for me to start buying parts for it. I bought an exhaust. I wanted to be loud.
Me and my father used to collect die-cast cars and little hot rod toy model cars back when I was younger.
This popped up in the shop. Ended up buying it from the dealership I was working at.
Set of wheels for it, redid the headlights, did the interior lights, and got
Center for Urban Families, who sent me to Vehicles for Change, and I had to wash those cars.
That I got this car. Yes, it is. It's my toy. This is my main toy. This is literally the weekend cruiser, but I take it out.
Yeah, so I used to do that, interviews and stuff like that, and he got me wanting to like interview him, like, cause for the DMV, bro, it's so negative here. It's like I don't even like going to car meets anymore. Like even with cars and coffee, like the younger generation is starting to make the cars and coffee trash, so they're bringing the drama there. It's like, it's not even about cars anymore here, bro. It's about a person's race, sex, sexual orientation, or a language they do or don't speak. Like, especially with black dudes with the gay shit, bro. Like, if I compliment a dude's car, they don't want to take the compliment because I'm gay. Or if it's a white dude, they don't want to take the compliment because I'm black and I'm gay. So it's like, and I'm a female. So it's like, yeah, I ain't one of them stuff, bro. You're supposed to be car enthusiasts. Like, what does that shit have to do with cars, dude? You just, yeah, bro. Hey, Josh, if you say this, I might start interviewing back up. But Josh, if you are still listening in this video to this point, I'm sorry, like I said, I'm sorry if I'm slurring. It's like, bro, I'm tired, bro. 3 hours of sleep from a 14-hour shift. I'm sorry. And also if I'm not looking at the camera. But anyways, but Josh, if you're still looking at this video at this point, if you're down to do an interview, let me know. The only thing is, I need somebody to drive me to get rollers and stuff like that. But if he does say yes, same with Finding Dick, you feel me, Hugo. Because I'm not going to interview like regular car enthusiasts because the DMV is just nothing but hate, dude. And like, I originally wanted to start interviewing just like YouTubers. But like TJ Hunt, and stuff like that. Anyway, but if he is down, I'll get the Insta360 Pro camera, because this GoPro is trash, so it keeps dying. It would say like 50% battery and it just dies. The vlogs you've seen are like hella old. I'm like 2-3 years behind on videos because my laptop crashed. And then I have like 3-4 terabytes of stuff that I still need to get from a portable hard drive that got corrupt. It's a lot. And like I said, I haven't vlogged in a long time. Except for Saturday morning, because we went to go with the content. Oh, hold up. Another thing I said too, Josh, if you're still listening or looking at this video this far, bro, come with us in May. Or it's like a content cruise, like a bunch of car enthusiasts get together and we cruise and stuff. We go to like we do like different shit. Hit up my boy. I'll put the link to my boys. All we ask for good vibes and stuff like that. No negativity. And you drive safe, so you don't, When you hit up my boy and ask about it more, you'll see for real. But it would be dope to have you on here. Nick too, if you watch it, and you go. But it's like a week thing where we go and do like different car shit. And make like content and shit. Oh, look at the Zaddy. Damn, he a Zaddy. Look at him, he's sexy. Yeah, I ain't going upstairs, dude. I don't like them sexy like that, but look why y'all got. Now I feel like they be getting like a lot of the studs confused with the studs who are low down on the DL that are actually buy. I don't know that shit. You gonna lose it. Yeah. Anyway, that's like off topic, bro. But yeah, I also started a cologne review channel. I'm debating if I should do it on here. Let me know. Maybe call it like Cologne Review Fridays. So I've been really like getting obsessed with cologne. Like I said, I had a whole different channel for it. I uploaded like 2 videos. I was supposed to upload something on Sunday, but just tired. My girl won't let me be. She's calling me. But yeah, that. So, like I said, bro, I've been getting obsessed with cologne. I think the most I spent on one cologne was $250. And also the cologne, I don't wear like perfume like that really. It's mostly just cologne. So I don't like the smell of perfume. A lot of it. Out of the cologne that I do wear, a lot of females do give me compliments about it. So, hey, check it out. Yeah, so let me know, comment down below. Should I do it on here? Cologne Review Fridays. And also, this other channel, my POV channel, I changed the name. I'll upload that video on that channel, explain why I changed the name. Stupid people. But, yo, should I do I gotta get like a new alternator and a new battery. Should I do the install on here on this channel? Like I said, it's gonna be a long time. I'm not sure when, but I'm trying to upload like 3 to 4 times a week to get like the videos and stuff. Or should I just do it on the POV channel? Like the alternator install. This is gonna be my first like time working on my own car, like or whatever. Maybe by myself, because like I said, I don't really have friends out here, bro. People in the DMV fake. So I just been pretty much chilling with myself. Or my girl. She's not in the cars. So yeah, should I do the battery install on this channel? I mean the battery and the alternator on this channel, or do it on my POV channel? Let me know, comment down below. But I think that's pretty much it. Also, if anybody's like, if y'all free, y'all good vibes or whatever, and y'all don't drive slow, y'all not scared of the cops, y'all don't slam on y'all brakes when y'all be seeing cops and shit, you're not scared to go over the speed limit. I'm not saying I'll run stop signs, like I'll cruise through and just keep going, but like I stand. Yeah. If you're ever free, like mostly like Wednesday night or Thursday night, sometimes Friday night I'll go out to the race spot or whatever. If you're down the cruise, you live in the DMV, either near Southern Maryland, Annapolis area, Largo, Atlanta, those areas. Let me know if you're down the cruise. Sadly, I'm stopped. But yeah, I think that's it, bro. I'm sorry, I'm tired. Like I said, damn girl won't let me sleep. Keeps calling, waking me up. Yeah. Like I said, comment down below about the cologne review channel. Like I said, the only way I'll start like the interviews back up if I hear anything from Josh. Like I said, if he does, I'm gonna need someone to help me do a rolling shot video. I'm so sorry, bro. the only time like start the interviews. Like if I can get an interview with him, like he's the main one. I fuck with Nick too, but Josh, like he really just brought that out of me, that hustle, that grind, that hunger back. But I stopped uploading for a while because of this new job. Like my body got to get acclimated to it with these long ass hours and shit. But hey, money's good. But my mom's taking more of that money with this damn mortgage. She can't live by herself, so you only got one mom. My brothers won't step it up, but like I said, but this is an update video, so what am I saying? Sorry for yeah. For those of you who don't know, if you are new, like I said, the reasons I've always had my car stock is because, you know, I take care of my mom. She can't work and she can't like be by herself because she doesn't listen. As you know, when parents get older, she does stuff she shouldn't be doing, so she can't be alone. Like when I'm at work, my brother's watching her, and then like I also have to help her with bills, the mortgage, all her bills and stuff like that. Plus on top of my bills. So hence why I've never had a modified car, because I've had to do that. When I left college too because of that. Like I said, you only got one mom. I mean, we're not close, but we're close. I wish we had that closeness like Josh had with his mom, but my mom's like old school. Internet's the devil, everything's the devil, everything. It's a lot. But yeah, bro, my dad, he's cool. He's still dealing with PTSD from Vietnam, but I wish like the YouTube was popping so I could surprise him with his dream car. I don't know his dream car. Like I said, like getting in contact with him is like hard because, like I said, he's dealing with PTSD and stuff like that. So sadly, YouTube ain't, you know. I mean, it is what it is. Cause I don't do clickbait shit, I guess. But hey, man. But yeah, man. Road to Mustang GT or BRZ. But I want to get a BRZ first because I want to start with a slow car. I don't want to get a fast car and crash that shit. But Mustang GT is my other dream car, and a Mustang GT 350. Yeah, man. Oh, and also, if anyone down to do like cars and coffee Saturday, let me know. Not Katie's, bro. I don't fuck with Katie's. If you know the story about what happened with Katie's, I forgot what it was, but it was someone who like kind of ran it. If you know that story, I'm not gonna get into it. But it's another cars and coffee that I go to. But if you're down to do cars and coffee, people who actually will get up early in the morning and will go and love driving and don't drive slow and will keep up with me and don't let other cars cut us off when we're following each other. And bro, if I say like I don't like non-car people behind me, like stick behind me. I mean, just let it go. But also, I just let it go. Yeah, let me know. Comment down below. Hit me up on my Instagram, my social media channels. What should I do about those? Should I install the alternator and the battery on this channel, my POV channel? And should I do a long review Fridays? And yeah, man, sorry about the long video. Like I said, welcome to the new subscribers. Shout out to the ones who are actually active. Comment, please. It helps out. Push. You already know they don't push out black community anyway, unless you do like crazy shit. But yeah, man. Smoke one if you got it. Haven't smoked it once. Yeah, bro. I don't know, let me know. But yo, Josh be cracking me up, bro. But yeah, comment down below. Oh, hold up. Before I end the video, bro, I might drop this POV because I had a road rage incident yesterday on the way to work, bro. So stay tuned to my POV channel. I might drop that. But yeah, man, it's bad. I lost my temper. Only thing is, like, bro, like I said, if you know me, you know I hate people who don't use common sense, or like people who don't understand like cars can kill people. So that's kind of another reason why I lost my temper. I'm out. Stay humble. Stay driven. F cancer. Peace. And I'm out. Yeah, dude.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.